popcorn. Just keep going. Just keep going, little toddler. Keep going. Oh no!
She's not a toddler.
She is a toddler. She's 2 years old.
She's a big girl.
Yeah, she is a big girl, but she's technically a toddler. She'll be a preschooler when she turns 3, I think. Yeah. Paper Mountain. All right, ladies.
You want to do another one? Oh, her face is painted.
Isn't it beautiful?
I love it. Pirate? Yeah, you look like a princess pirate.
That's right. Remember you said you were an African.
Yeah, you did.
What did you say you was? What you call it? You said something about African queen or something.
She changed her mind.
She changed her mind.
Does anyone need markers?
Yes.
Yes?
Okay. Have you already done it? Have you already done this? So what you're going to do, you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to crumble it up into a ball.
You will do the easy.
Not yet, baby. Crumble it up. Crumble it up into a ball, Nubia.
Crumble it up.
Once she sees everybody, she's going to figure it out. I think. Crumple it up, Nubian. See, like this.
Okay.
Can you do that? Good job.
Good job. Alright, now and you're going to go along the line and you want to make sure you're using a lot of ink, okay? So pick one of the lines and just draw a lot of it.
I don't know what this mountain is going to look like, but it's going to be beautiful. All right. So she said to go along the top of the mountain. Cool, Nairobi.
You can pick whichever you want to use a lot of ink, so you might want to press down really, really hard. Okay?
Press down really hard.
Lots of ink. So you
Just like, yes, good job.
Yes.
All right. What a mountain. What a mountain.
I didn't say it.
Yes, good job.
and then the colors are going to start to run, and this is how gravity affects runoff on a mountain.
Ah, I love
Yeah, squeeze the
it.
bottle. Squeeze the bottle.
I like your overalls.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Wow.
I'm sorry?
Runoffs along mountains. She like, I'm gonna wet up the valley. Wet up that valley, newbie.
That's right. Good job.
All
Put some
right.
right here. Put some right here.
Ooh. Mountain high, valley low. Ooh.
Good job.
You want another piece of paper?
Get them to bubble. Get them to bubble.
Gonna build a battery next, guys.
Yellow. It's in. Well, what this is? That's
Everything I know.
that's an LED bulb, and this is a battery made from scratch. So we have different washers, like rings. We have copper, and then we have felt ones that have been soaked in vinegar, and the vinegar helps the circuit to flow, and it helps it to work.
So
And
do you
then
remember when
we have zinc.
we had the connectors and what do they call, friend?
Conductors?
Your conductors over
that's
at
right.
house when we did the conductors.
Just like that. Exactly. So the vinegar helps the circuit to flow and for it to work. Nice. Guess you came from the Paper Mountains.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so if you look at the battery or at the bulb here, hold it up and look at the wire length. One side should be slightly longer than the other. Do you see the slightly longer wire? So that's the one that you want to plug in the base wire that leads to the base. So go to
The base, bottom.
is the copper.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what starts it off. So let's go and put that on there. Okay, good. And then if you want to keep on holding it, and I'll get the top one on the shorter wire. Ready?
Wow. LED. Cool.
Plug the base plug into, we need to have it touch the silver part right here. So that's going to be the silver part of the red wire, okay? And then we're going to plug in this one to the black side.
She wants to do it.
There it is.
You hear it?
Hear it? So you got that buzzer to work.
You can take.
some Indian food, guys. Okay, guys, we're at this Indian restaurant. All this is just yumminess, guys. That's like an eggplant. This is like some veggies and stuff. I did get the fish right here, guys. Y'all know I eat a little fish every now and then. And yeah, it looks yummy. My friend has a variety of things. Nairobi has some dried tomato rice. I guess she doesn't want anything Nubian has. I just gave her a little bit of the sample. This one was like this is a lentil or something like that. So that's what she has. All right, guys, we're going in. Indian food. So what we're doing?
Did you say Indian?
Yes, that's what we're eating. Indian food.
The food comes from India.
Well, it's the type of food that makes it Indian. These are what Indian people eat. Just like other people eat different types of food. It's a part of their culture. So let's give thanks for it. We're so thankful now. Give thanks, Nubian. We're thankful for our beautiful day. We're thankful for our beautiful food. And let's yummy it up. Yay! Yay! Hi, guys. Happy Saturday. I'm so sorry we didn't come on earlier, guys, to say good morning to you D.I.Y.erss. But we were officially taking care of some business. Nubian is just waking up for her nap. We're going to take a small little break here, and then we're going to go in the house, and then we're going to head to a Black History program. So I'm sorry, guys. We've been all over the place today because, like I said, we went to Challenger Center this morning, and then I had, like, something I really need to take care of. Business-wise, so yeah, I have to do the same thing in the morning. So just trying to get it together, guys. But at the same time, you know, we love you guys, and we want to, you know, pop in and say hello, D.I.Y.erss. So yeah, guys. So y'all see, I got like something going on my eye right there. It's like a blood vessel. I need glasses, guys. I'm so serious. Like, I keep putting it off, but I really need to make an eye appointment, and I really need to get my glasses. I actually like have like my vision insurance and all of that. I just need to like make a day to actually go get me some glasses. So I need to, that's going to be on my to-do list. But I have so much stuff on my to-do list, guys. So yeah, so y'all just, you know, keep watching and keep up with me, man, because you know, I'm out here just trying to make it happen, guys. Anyways, y'all like my earrings? Aren't they so cute? Yes, so cute. I love you, fam. You love all my students. So yeah, guys, so we're gonna come back for sure to show you the Black History program. I'm so excited for Nubian to watch little kids, because actually it's gonna be yeah, it's gonna be a really cool place where eventually, maybe in the future, she's gonna be, and her little friend from Nairobi TV, you know, she's gonna be there as well. So we're super excited about that, guys. So y'all know we love you, and we'll be back in a little bit. All right.
Individuals around the world. My bachelor's degree allowed me to teach electronics at the technology college. Thanks to me, there are now machines that organize your coin for you. I am Mark.
I am Xoxo. I received a Bachelor of Arts in Biochemistry from San Francisco State University and a doctorate in medicine from the University of Washington. In 1985, you can find me in my research.
Dry story, aka dry cleaning. Who am I? I am Thomas Algene. I love eating. People remember me at the Elm State Apple. Extremely small stood at the top of my class at University of Tennessee, where I studied genetics. My biggest achievement was inventing the color beauty wallets and the first funeral effort. I was the first African American to receive a Black Excellence Award. I love eating. I am Louis Lammer, an Army veteran. I spent when I was growing up, I was growing playing flute and writing. In my spare time, I taught American drawing and English. Because of me, life bugs burn for hours instead of minutes. think of me every time you light a flame. I lose that learning. For my first job, I learned how to play aerobatic. That was amazing. I was born in 1872. For my first job, I learned how to type at a fast speed. I was director of sales operations for a radio station, where I use a computer every day to book commercials. I became the first African American who invented the computer keyboard stand. Many people find the computer